Have you ever applied for a loan or a credit card only to be surprised by your credit score? You check one bureau and see a number you like, then check another and, yikes, it's way lower. What's the deal? Why can your credit score differ so much between credit reporting agencies like Transunion and Equifax? Buckle up, because we're diving into the surprising world of credit score discrepancies. The mystery of the moving numbers. Let's face it, credit scores can feel like a magic trick. A number pops up, supposedly reflecting your creditworthiness, but the exact formula feels shrouded in secrecy. The truth is, there's no single, universal credit score. Instead, each credit bureau, Equifax, Experian, and Transunion, has its own way of calculating a score based on the information in your credit report. The algorithm allure. Here's where things get interesting. Each bureau uses a unique algorithm to analyze your credit report data. Think of it like a recipe. Both recipes use similar ingredients: your payment history, credit utilization, credit age, and credit mix, different types of accounts, but the measurements might differ. One recipe might call for a cup of on-time payments, while the other wants a heaping tablespoon. These variations in how heavily each factor is weighted can lead to score discrepancies. Data disparity. Not all bureaus are created equal. Another wrinkle? Creditors don't necessarily report to all three bureaus. Bank A might report to Transunion and Experian, while Bank B might only report to Equifax. This means one bureau might have a more complete picture of your credit history, potentially impacting your score. There can also be time lags in reporting, so a recent credit card closure might be reflected on one report but not another. The FICO score, the credit king, but not the only one. Now, you might have heard of FICO scores. These are the most widely used credit scores in the U.S., and both Equifax and TransUnion provide FICO scores. However, there are different versions of FICO scores, each tailored for specific credit products like mortgages or auto loans. So, the FICO score you see on your credit card application might be different from the FICO score a lender uses for a mortgage. So, which score really matters? The not-so-satisfying answer is, it depends. Many lenders use scores from all three bureaus, but some might only pull from one or two. There's no way to know for sure which score a particular lender will use. The best approach is to monitor your credit reports and scores across all three bureaus. This way, you'll have a well-rounded understanding of your credit health and can avoid any surprises down the line. Taking control of your credit narrative. The good news is, you're not powerless in this situation. You can request a free credit report from each bureau every year. Make sure to review them carefully for any errors. If you find something wrong, dispute it immediately. By keeping your credit reports clean and accurate, you'll ensure your scores reflect your true creditworthiness. But wait, there's more. This is just a crash course in credit score discrepancies. In future videos, we'll delve deeper into specific ways to improve your credit score, decode the mysterious world of credit utilization, and explore alternative credit scoring models. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.